Hello and welcome to another of our after hours conversations here at the Power of 50 event, which is the Field Service Forum today. And it's been a very, very long, intense, full of great conversations, great presentations. And I've managed to grab another of our great thought leaders. Maaz, I'm going to ask you to introduce yourself to the folks back home in a moment, but another of our great keynote speakers. Maaz, tell the people at home all about yourself.
Thanks a lot, Chris. My name is Maaz Khan. I'm representing Viessmann Climate Solutions, and I'm the Director Field Services over there.
Excellent. So you gave us great keynote. The one slide that stood out for me, and there was a lot of information today, and there was a lot of great information in your presentation. The one that stood out for me was you went from 0 in terms of connected devices to 750,000 in
correct.
a 8-year period, was it?
Roughly, yes.
Yeah. Talk to me about that. Why has that been such a big shift in your business?
So in the residential heating business,
Yeah.
device connectivity was lacking to some extent the value proposition, right? So I want to connect the device, but why I want to connect the device?
Yeah.
And this is something we worked a lot to address that topic within the last 8 years. So we have come up with the right digital tool ecosystem, which helps both the installation partners as well as the end customers in properly utilizing that connectivity. And we've been able to achieve these 750,000 connected devices and hopefully more in the future based on that, because once you connect it, you as an end user have a clear value proposition, peace of mind, control over your devices and the entire system, and more importantly, complete information about your energy flows in your household. And
having had lots of conversations before and after that presentation, what was the general sense that you got of where you are in terms of that journey compared to people in very, very different industries, but are often a lot of the same challenges?
I believe, based on the discussions that we've had, it's to some extent hard to compare because the B2B and B2C residential and commercial industries are quite significant.
Yeah.
In the commercial industry, you sell the product and you own the right to perform the service on it. In the residential business, there's a lot of competition on that as well. However, if I sum up the discussion that we've had, I would say from the digital ecosystems or from digitizing the service journey and being able to be more proactive in our maintenance and offerings, I think I'm confident actually after the day that we are standing at quite a good point.
Excellent. And my final question for you, because it has been a long day. My throat's dry, your throat's dry.
Yeah.
But what was the one takeaway that you took from everybody else? What's the one thing you're taking back to the office as something that is a seed of a great thought?
I mean, one thing that has been repeated throughout the day as well, that coming here, hearing other industries and sort of understanding that we are not the only ones at Viessmann Climate Solution going through the challenges, such as the labor shortage, skill shortage, being the chance and the opportunity to utilize AI and other technologies. We are not the only ones working and struggling with those topics. So there are other service organizations, may it be whichever industry it is. So it's a bit of helpful, supportive feeling you get from that.
I think somebody mentioned it as it's like group therapy.
Yeah,
that we know we're not alone.
Absolutely.
But no, it's been a great day, and I really enjoyed the presentation, Maaz. Thank you ever so much for joining us.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.